Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm finally doing an updated house tour which people have been asking for quite a while, and we've now been here coming up 5 years. In a couple of months it's been 5 years, and I thought I would show you what our lovely new build looks like 5 years in. Now I have done another house tour before and I think it was 3 to 4 years ago. I will leave it linked down below, and the house does look very different to what it did then. There's a lot more colour, there's a lot more character, we've made it very much our own, and I wanted to get this house tour done before we move house because we are moving this year, hopefully, fingers crossed, if we get to sell it that fast. I also did an empty house tour when we first moved in 5 years ago, so I will leave that link down below as well if you want to see that. And yeah, let's get on with the video and show you the house. Start on the porch, which I think I did in my last house tour. Little disclaimer, we have tidied a bit for this house, so it is tidier than usual. Also, we have an 8-month-old, so it's also not perfect. So don't judge us. But this is the porch. I think in the last video it was white with gold spots, but we've now painted it a lovely dark green. It's just filled with all of our coats basically. Bags for Lydia. Lydia's coats are on the door. It's nice and tidy at the minute. Tidier than usual anyway. So yeah, this is our porch. And so obviously this is the front door. So as you come in, this is the porch, and if you go directly forward, you've got the downstairs toilet, which I believe we've also decorated since the last video. In here, we've done a nice sage green. It's lovely and cozy. We've painted literally every single wall, including the ceiling. Eric's getting all the nice shots here. And we've got this lovely picture, which I think was gifted to Eric for his birthday one year from our friends Adam and Ellie, which we finally got framed and put on the wall. So yeah, this is our downstairs toilet. Do you want to do like an overview from the outside? Oh, and a nappy bin, don't look at that. And a mop bucket. No. Downstairs toilet. So when you come into the actual house, this is our living room, which we've also, I believe, fully decorated. La 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 la. Which I also believe we've fully decorated since the last video. It's now this wonderful dark green, which we love. Also / nursery, clearly. And my floor pillow, because I don't like sitting on the floor. And Eric doesn't like sitting on the floor, so we have a pillow. But yeah, we've had this decorated again. We've put shelves up, we've put more pictures up. We did have a few pictures last time, but we've put even more up now. I think we've also got a bigger telly as well. Yeah, I love this room. It's nice and cozy. It's very us. We like green. Nice plants and stuff everywhere. I'm gonna have to swap arms because she's killing my arm. 2 seconds. So as you come through, we've actually changed these from shelves to a cat tower. Can't remember why. Do you remember why, Eric? I was gonna say Lydia. Oh yeah, we've got shelves on the wall. So we changed this to a cat tower for Binks. This is the same. Are you showing the shelves? My bad. Lovely shelves with pictures, family portraits and such. And then just at the bottom of the stairs, which this mirror hasn't been cleaned, my bad. It's our same gold mirror that I think we had in the last video, I believe. Then you come into the kitchen diner. I'm not sure if this has changed. Do you remember if this was tiled last time, Eric? It wasn't. Well, we have tiled the backsplash, which I did do a video on because we DIY'd it. Oh yeah, the boiler's been moved up by the builder because it was too low. We've got this area over here. I think we had this wallpaper, but we've also now painted and had new furniture put in. Love this table. It's from John Lewis. It's the only one I could find that goes as small as a 4-seater, and then it also goes up to an 8 to 10-seater. It's amazing. It has 2 partitions in the middle. Bless you. It has 2 partitions in the middle that open out, so we've also got our spare chairs in the corner over there. And yeah, this just makes the space look so much nicer than the last table we had, because the table's a bit smaller. It means we can have a bit more storage, and it just looks a bit more tidy and compact. It's lovely. We've had shelves put up. Love this room. This is one of my favourite rooms in the whole house, actually, to be fair. And then it opens out to the garden. There's not much to show really because it's raining, so we're not going to go outside. But we've got our patio. At the back, we also have a little gravelled area. We've put some bushes along the side, which should grow to a nice size and provide privacy when they're eventually big enough. But to be honest, we won't be here that long, so the next person who lives here will get to enjoy that privacy. Yeah, it's lovely in summer in our garden. We've got our barbecue and a shed. I do really enjoy our garden, to be fair. We're very much like garden people in the summer, or at least I am. Eric, you kind of are. I mostly am. After that, you go upstairs, and Eric's not going to watch me walk upstairs because that's kind of weird. Once you're upstairs, I'll start with Lydia's room, which is the smallest room. This has been fully changed because obviously now it's a baby's room. Let's sit you on here so I can give my arm a break. So I think, I can't fully remember, but I'm sure in the last time I did a house tour, this was my vanity room, or beauty room of some sort. But now it's a baby room, and it's beautiful. I'm so happy with how this looks. It's exactly how I envisioned it. She's got gorgeous bookshelves with her name on. If you want to see a full nursery tour, I will do one, so Eric, don't show too much. But yeah, basically this is the box room, and it's one of the reasons why we want a bigger house, because we want Lydia to have a nice big room. Very much to say, it's a big room. There's a cot, there's a changing table, there's nappies and books. So that's her room. And then the next room, which is the second double room, has actually been transformed into our office. This used to be the spare room, but now Eric is a fully remote worker. His job is technically in London, and when I go back to work anyway, I'm half at home and half in the office, so we do spend a lot of time in this room, usually. At least I don't at the moment because I'm on maternity, but this is our office. And I think I did do a video where we've redecorated this whole room. I will leave that link down below as well. But I like it. It's like the perfect amount of like sophisticated office / geek, because I love our shelves so much. Eric is just going to pan over the shelves and show you a few of the things in a bit more detail. Not going to lie, it is kind of dusty. Who has time to dust when you have an 8-month-old baby? But you know. In the next room to the left of that is the family bathroom, which I think we've also changed. I think we've changed like literally every room. I'm going to have to swap arms 2 seconds. So, this is the family bathroom. Me and Eric don't really use this room because we have an ensuite, but Lydia baths in this every day. So, oh no, did you say that?
No, didn't get
the door handle captured us. Yeah, so we've had this painted. We've also had a shower above the bath added, which Eric's dad kindly helped with. We've had it tiled as well. Again, Eric's dad kindly helped with. We've got a better storage solution than what used to be here, because it used to be very cramped in here, but now it's feeling a lot more open. Just ignore the fact that the cat's toilet isn't here. Cute. I like this room. I think it looks nice. Then the last room, well, kind of second last room, is mine and Eric's bedroom, which again, I'm pretty sure we've decorated since the last video. We've had paneling added above the bed. We've got a brand new bed. It's now a king size. I love this bed so much. I will try and find it if I can, and I'll link it down below. But it's an ottoman bed, so it has storage underneath. And I just love that, what's it called? Backrest. Headrest. I love the headrest on the bed. We've had these lights, hold on, I'll turn them on. We've had these lights added above as well. It looks much better on an evening if I close these curtains. Look at that. Can you see that very nicely on the camera? They're really nice and cozy on an evening when you just get into bed after a long day of looking after a baby. We've had a new mirror added for storage. So this next room is our ensuite. Eric needs to flick the light on and turn the fan off so you can hear me. And this is our ensuite, which again, I think we've decorated since the last video. It's now navy to kind of tie in with the bedroom, because I do feel like it's not really its own room, it's an extension of that room really, isn't it? So yeah, hiya. This is our ensuite. Not much to say really. It's blue, has pictures, has fake plants, and has a shower and products kind of dashed everywhere. Lovely. So this is the end of today's house tour. Sorry if it's a little bit chaotic. It's probably not as aesthetically pleasing as the last one in terms of like filming. And she's due a nap soon, so she's getting a little bit upset. Do you want to sit down? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like down below. Subscribe to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye.